Good morning, traders. Today is Friday, February 17th, and it is 10 minutes before opening bell. We have a gap and higher low situation. I think there's going to be a possible gap and go, not a gap and crap. Okay? But I'm going to show you some history that is going to suggest that it's going to be a gap and go, not a gap and crap. All right? So here's your gap right there. Okay? Right there this morning. Higher low, higher lows. You're going to see more details in this. Right there. This is from 210. Higher lows. Okay, SPY futures. Let's look at January from 2023 right here. January on. This is what happened last night. SPY futures 1 hour. Look where the pivot point is. The bear line is negative 20. We pivoted above the bear line at the same spot that we did on February 10th. Okay. What happened on February 10th? Rocket ride. Same pivot line. So now you have positive separation on the MACD. Look at this. Look at this on January, we'll just call it 19th. January 19th. It got almost to the bear line. Rocket ride. Okay? So, what does history tell you? Just look up at the charts. Every time it's pivoted up and positive separation. What has happened? Not a downtrend. All right? So let's just stick with the facts, guys. I know you bears want to say, oh, we're going down, we're going to crash. That's not what history says. Okay? So, moving on. Here's the gap. Now check this out. Okay, all night you've had bullish divergence on the MACD. See that? Up, 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 up. Now you have convergence. MACD's going up and price is going up. Big green lightning strike right here. It's already overtaking the EMA 50 that you know is a trend change. Now look at this. Basically, last night I predicted it was going to consolidate under the blue. We'll just call it 407.50, but it's now higher than that because, remember, this is an ascending line, right? So now it's like 407.75, whatever. Okay? It was consolidating under there, but then gapped down to consolidate under the black line. So you have two consolidations now. Okay? So is it going to fill this gap? Oh yeah, you bet it is, because it's consolidating under the channel line. That's bullish, as you see here. That's not bearish. Okay, that's what I was talking about last night in the episode. I was like, if you consolidate under the line, that's bullish, not bearish. Combine the fact that the MACD is now above the zero line, as it has bullish divergence right here with the price all night. Okay, so it's going to take this black line, and then it's going to go up and fill the gap, and then we're going to see if it's going to take this blue line. Okay, so this is going to be interesting how it does this. Now, watch for this. If at opening bell, it just rockets straight up to 407, we'll just call it 407.50. If it rockets straight up to 407.50, that means it's going to fill the gap. I would wait for it. Wait for it to come back down and backtest the EMA 50. Don't bite down on that rocket ride on the pump at opening bell. If it pumps at all, I don't know what it's going to do. But it may not pump at all. It might just old school come up and then come back down and retake the EMA 50 and then go back up. Okay? Now, this is another sign of hidden bullishness. If it takes back the EMA 50 in intraday during the trading hours, that's hidden bullishness, guys. Because it had the strength all along. The market makers were simply manipulating the price down to here. And then it's going to rocket right back up, as you saw in futures. It's already pivoted. You see what I mean? They were just manipulating. It had nothing to do with the news yesterday. This was always the target. They were going to take it down, make a higher low that you saw in the previous slides, and then create the pivot point on the 1 hour futures above the negative 20 bear line, and then rocket back up. It had nothing to do with the news yesterday. This was always in the plans. It's just math. I'm just showing you these slides. It's just math. This is not my opinion. I just showed you the facts, okay? That's why I don't watch the news. I don't care what the news is. The market algorithms have already made up their minds what they're going to do. And they're about to take back this gap, and they're about to go up and see if they can take back this channel, okay? So here are your levels, all right? So that's all I got for now. This might be just more traditional old school. I don't know. We're going to find out what the market makers want to do, okay? So that's all I've got for you guys. Talk to you on Twitter or in the market recap.